Joining me today is Ben Mack from the Social Food Project. We're going to be making a beautiful dish showcasing these gorgeous Jerusalem artichokes. You know, it looks like ginger, doesn't it?
It does look like ginger. They're pretty gnarly little beasts, but they are delicious, trust me.
They are delicious. And Benny, a lot of people don't know, but the Jerusalem artichoke comes from the sunflower family.
Yes, so Jerusalem artichokes are neither from Jerusalem or an artichoke. They're from North America, actually, and they're called sunchokes in America, so that's more representative of the sunflower.
Exactly. And they've got this gorgeous, sweet, nutty flavour. So how are you going to prepare them for me today?
So with these, we're going to do them two ways. We're going to roast them off, same way as we might roast off some potatoes. And then we're going to make some chips. So we're going to slice them really thinly on this here dangerous beast.
I know, you know how to handle it.
And then quickly fry them off, and they're going to turn into house-made chips. And so while I'm roasting these off, Just, if you want to make us a mayonnaise.
Sure can.
So to go with the Jerusalem artichokes, we're going to do a Tarragon Mayo. So we've got this here wonderful herb.
I love it.
Naturally quite aniseed and beautiful. We've made it into a bit of a herb oil. So we've just blitzed it with oil until it's gone beautiful and green. And we're going to emulsify that with some eggs, mustard, vinegar, salt, and a pinch of sugar.
Beautiful. I love the idea of combining the tarragon with the oil, so it almost gives it a bigger hit of flavour. You can truly taste the essence of the tarragon.
Absolutely, and it ends up being vibrant green, which is awesome.
Nice, I love it.
So I'm just going to chop these up, just into nice kind of pieces like so.
And you're not even peeling them, you're just giving them a bit of a scrub?
No, you can't. Yeah, exactly. Just give it a wash. Like, some people do peel them. I don't think you need to. They're quite an earthy, kind of rich flavour, so I think it's beautiful as it is.
So, Benny, tell me a little bit about the Social Food Project.
Yeah, of course. So, Social Food Project is a little enterprise that I run. We specialise in community events, and the idea is that when you get people together over food, having a bit of wine, having a bit of conversation, then you can build amazing communities together.
Absolutely. And I think in this day and age, it's really important that we know where our food is coming from. There's so many more of us out there. Taking the time to respect the food, so respecting the seasonality of it, where it's coming from, is critical.
Absolutely, absolutely. And that's the thing, you know, if you can get people together over a nice meal, nice plate of food, you can have these sorts of conversations together really easily and really nicely. So, Charles, you're doing an amazing job. All you want to do is slowly pour in the oil so that it emulsifies with the egg and turns into that beautiful mayonnaise.
Well, patience is the key to making mayonnaise, so little by little, we're going to add the oil. Benny, that looks great, doesn't it?
Perfect. So you've added the mustard, the vinegar, the salt, and a little pinch of sugar.
Sugar, that's what I missed.
I've always found that just a little bit of sugar helps to bring out the natural sweetness in the herbs and just kind of makes it really nice and balanced.
All right, I'll have a taste of this because it looks so good. Look at that beautiful colour.
Lovely. Nice.
And I love mayonnaise. That is divine. Yum.
Yeah, so we've got the Jerusalem artichokes. We're just going to slice them really thinly on a mandolin. You definitely want to be careful with this guy. It does get quite sharp and potentially lose some fingers, so just be careful. Don't chop them off. You need them for later.
Be careful.
So just slice them really nice and thinly.
And look how beautiful and thin that is.
All right, so they're nicely thin and sliced. And what we're going to do, very simply, is just drop them into hot oil.
That's about 180 degrees, nice and hot.
Yep, 180.
Cool.
Move them around so that they don't stick together. So you want them to evenly cook.
Yep.
So you want them to turn nice and crispy and golden once you've cooked all the water out of it.
Yep.
And then we're going to transfer it onto this here paper towel.
Yep.
And they'll be ready to go.
Nice. Benny, these roasted Jerusalem artichokes look so good. I love this whole two-textured thing.
Yep.
Crispy chippies,
Yep.
roasted chokes, yummo.
Beautiful.
What have you got there?
All right, so with this one, we're going to use black garlic. So this is an amazing product. Historically, it's used in Asian cuisines.
Yep.
The way you make it is you take regular garlic, you put it in a temperature-controlled environment about 60 degrees for a minimum of 2 weeks,
Okay.
but up to a month.
Yep.
And what happens is that all of the sugars inside the garlic start to caramelize slowly, and you end up with this pitch black, beautiful garlic.
This has the most incredible, deep, sweet flavour, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
It's
So
like
it's
so rich.
It's like molasses with burnt caramel with balsamic vinegar. It's this kind of beautiful, sweet, savoury, umami deliciousness.
Look at that. So 60 degrees, how are we going to do that at home?
So there's an awesome hack for this one.
Yep.
Is do it in a rice cooker.
Nice.
So get a rice cooker, fill it up with garlic,
Yep.
plug it into the wall, but do not turn it on. Don't turn it on, just let it on, keep warm. Leave it there for 2 weeks, and then open it up, and you've got this delicious product.
Oh, wow. You know what? As soon as I get home, I'm going to get my rice cooker and I'm going to make some black garlic because it is
Do it.
sensational.
Amazing gift.
Exactly.
I do recommend, though, just putting it in your garage
Yep.
because it will smell out your entire house with garlic. All right, so let's get it going. So what we're going to do is get these Jerusalem artichokes onto the plate.
Nice.
Just put it on there. I really like my food to be rustic,
Yep.
beautiful. Just bang it on, really.
Make it look organic.
Why not? Why not? So that one down. Then we're going to go with the mayo, please, Joss.
Mayo for you.
And look, just really kind of nice little dollops. Just sort of smash it on, basically. Then you've got these wonderful Jerusalem artichoke chips.
Listen to the crunch of them.
Bang that around. Lovely.
Nice.
And then to finish it off, we're going to just pop on some of this black garlic. Just dot it around.
You've got some hazelnuts here too for another level of texture.
That's right, yeah. So that just adds another crunchy texture and also the flavour. So the Jerusalem artichokes are naturally quite nutty.
Yeah.
So this comes in to just bind it all together, really.
And we just scatter them over the
Yep,
top.
just throw them on top, Joss.
There we go. You know, this is a beautiful dish. It's appealing. Let's just get straight. I want to try these chippies and
Yeah,
that black
do it.
garlic. I'm going to get a nice combo there.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, wow.
Pretty good. Really
That
good.
mayonnaise is so good with it. And that pop of garlic. Yummo. Love that, Benny. That is an epic dish. Showcasing Jerusalem artichokes. If you
Yep.
haven't tried them, when they're in season, get them. They are so yummy.
Awesome.